The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County in south-central Texas, Bandera County in south-central Texas, Southeastern Kerr County in south-central Texas, Northeastern Uvalde County in south-central Texas, Eastern Frio County in south-central Texas, Atascosa County in south-central Texas, Southwestern Bexar County in south-central Texas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tarpley to Charlotte, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Pleasanton, Hondo, Divine, Jordanton, Poteet, Castroville, Charlotte, Bandera, Christine, Tarpley, Lytle, Somerset, Natalia, Lacoste, Moore, Goldfinch, Hennies, Bandera Falls, and Dunlay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.